Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking you on a breathtaking journey high above Dubai's desert at sunrise, all from the basket of a hot air balloon. Get ready to be amazed. Today we're taking you on a breathtaking journey high above Dubai's desert at sunrise, all from the basket of a hot air balloon. Get ready to be amazed. Imagine soaring through the sky as the sun peaks over the horizon, casting a golden glow over the vast expanse of sand dunes below. That's exactly what we're about to experience as we embark on this magical hot air balloon ride. Now, let's talk about the challenges and logistics involved in organizing a hot air balloon ride in the desert. From coordinating the early morning launch to ensuring the perfect weather conditions, there's a lot that goes into making this experience truly unforgettable. As we float gently above the desert landscape, take a moment to appreciate the beauty and tranquility of the early morning. The soft hues of pink and orange painting the sky, the gentle swaying of the balloon, and the absolute serenity that surrounds us. It's a truly captivating experience. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the sunrise. Watch as the sun emerges from the horizon, casting a warm, golden light over the desert below. It's a sight that words can hardly do justice to, a moment that will stay with you long after the ride is over. As we bring our hot air balloon ride to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible experience we've just shared. Flying over Dubai's desert at sunrise is a once-in-a-lifetime adventure that leaves you in awe of the beauty of nature and the marvels of human ingenuity. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more travel adventures, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And we'd love to hear from you. Share your own sunrise experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.